She knew the answer, but couldn't say it out loud. Because confidence, not just knowledge, shapes a child's future. That's where Quest walks in, with expert trainers, practical English, and real-life learning. We don't teach to test. We teach to transform. Our classrooms are full of conversations, role plays, and stage moments, not just chalk and talk. Our syllabus blends fluency, personality, and daily life English. In weeks, that same student is speaking with clarity, leading morning assemblies, and inspiring peers. For parents and teachers, it's more than English, it's growth. It's not just a program. It's a journey from silence to stage. Join hands with Quest. Let's build bold, fluent, future-ready students.